So on behalf of SIMS family, I welcome you all to this press meet. And a big thank for all of you who's taken your time to come down here. So we are delighted to hear we talking about aneurysm with regards to a particular syndrome called Marfan Syndrome. So let's think, what is aorta? Aorta is the main organ which carries the blood supply to all the vital organs. And the surgery complex because it is like water is a big number. Like if you see the European Society of Vascular Surgeons, I call upon Dr. Raju to talk about SIMS and address the gathering.
Professor Dr. V. Bashi, Bashi, and his colleagues Dr. Mohammed Idris and Dr. Murli, Professor Murli, were gathered here for bringing the awareness about World Aortic Dissection Awareness Day. இந்த மாதிரி பாப்புலேஷன் சொல்றபடி பார்த்தா 6 லட்சம் பேர் நம்ம இந்தியாவில் வந்து இருக்கிறதுக்கான பாசிபிலிட்டி இருக்கு. எவ்வளவு 3000 to 5000 பேர்ல ஒருத்தருக்கு இருக்கும் aortic aneurysm. அதனால இதை வந்து earlier எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது, இதுல இருந்து எப்படி நம்ம வந்து ஒரு மேஜர் காம்ப்ளிகேஷன் வந்து அவாய்ட் பண்றதுக்காக தான் இந்த அவேர்னஸ் கிரியேட். He still has done 18 aortic aneurysm surgeries successfully. Therefore, this is not world record. Therefore, the team is cardiac surgeon. Dr. Idris has been more than 15 years. And Dr. Murli was more than 25 years, 30 years. This is 2000 surgery பண்ணியாச்சு. அதுல 18 aortic aneurysm surgery. அதுல வந்து 400 வந்து aortic root replacement, 150 aortic arch replacements.
This is aorta. The whole thing is aorta. Because last year, the International Cardiovascular Society, including the Europe, aorta is an organ. If you see, it is the biggest, like Idris said, that is the pipe which gives nutrition to the whole body, including the heart, the brain, spinal cord, kidney, liver, for the body. If anywhere any problem happens, it is fatal. So that is the importance of aorta. That is why the International Society of Cardiovascular Surgeons, diseases of this organ. Today, the diseases involving the aorta, basically aneurysms. And if you see the aorta is, as I told you, in the kidney has shut down completely. We just did that with the hybrid procedure along with Dr. Murli. So we put a. So if it is not done, it can involve the whole organs. Starting from the spinal cord, you can have paralysis of the limbs. You can have kidney failure, you can have liver failure. You have to go a long way. So this particular disease called Marfan Syndrome, this is what happens. The root of the aorta just enlarges and it is very thin. As I told you, there is no, aorta, it can have problem because of the deficiency of a particular layer in the aorta. You make a cut in your groin and then pass this tube through that and release it, and so that blood flows through that is called the true lumen. The dissection occurs, the aortic, the true lumen and false lumen is separated, so that blood does not go to vital organs. So once this is done, this patient has already started passing urine. The creatinine was very high. He was, and treatment most important. So these are the cases, where we, within 2 years, this girl came with this. And that is the post-operative. This is open surgery. We have done a surgery replacing this one. We have a routine screening, like a chest X-ray or an abdominal.